Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the service AARSVC60C55 using a lot of your RAM memory. So that service is related to Cortana and other digital assistants that you have installed on your computer. So in this video, I'm going to show you a very quick solution to that problem. What you have to do, just go and click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Here, go to apps. Scroll down to find Cortana, which is somewhere around here. Click on advanced options and then go down a bit, and where you find reset, here where it says if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset and then reset. Wait a bit for the process to be finished, and of course restart your computer. So basically now Cortana is reset, and that service should not use up a lot of your RAM memory anymore. But in case it is still using a lot of memory, in the description down below I'm gonna leave you a link with the official Cortana from the Microsoft website, where you can download the latest version of Cortana. So this is how easily you can fix this issue, by resetting Cortana or by downloading the latest version of Cortana. As I've said, the link will be in the description down below, so you can get it from there. This was the video for today. I hope it was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below with this video, and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. Until next time, have a nice day.